Alright, so I was having some problems. This is an E-series. So I'll go through a couple troubleshooting tips that I just went over, which happen to be in this manual. So I'll try and get a link in the description. Common questions, errors, fixes. So what ended up being the issue for me, and honestly I've done this dozens of times and I've never had this problem, but the COM ports just weren't lining up. So this, first off, is an E-series. So if you have an F-series, generally what you want to go to, click this button up here. It's a little wrench. You'll go to VCI config, and you should be dealer organization ICOM ENet local area network. There's another fix for it. You can pull up your, looks like it's edibas.ini, and you can change this right here. Interface from remote. You type in caps ENET, ENet, and then you leave it on that first setting, and then when it pulls up where I need to go, basically from the edibas file, it'll go ENet instead of remote. So basically this little troubleshooting guide told me I'm an idiot, and yeah, what you need to do is you go into C/edibas/bin and look at this COM port here. Whatever that says is the COM port it's going to be looking for. So in my case it's 9. I guess it's set to default 9. Here's 2, 3, etc. I don't know, but anyway, OBD is COM port 9. So my problem was COM port just kept being 3. So go over here, right click on the start menu. For those of you who aren't super familiar with Windows, here's your cool little menu. Go to device manager. Now you're going to go over to ports, and you'll want to find whatever is a USB serial port like COM. You probably have a lot of stuff in here, but this one you'll see it's FTDI, which is more likely than not going to be your DCAN cable, whatever brand it is. Go to port settings, hit advanced, and check your COM port here. I have COM port 9 selected. That was not the default, so you can click this and change it, then hit OK to save everything. You'll want to verify your settings. This is what I have right here, and this is what's working for me. So that's it. Hopefully if you're having problems with an E-series not connecting, that will fix it. Again, F-series guys, couldn't tell you don't have one, but as far as I understand, you click that guy and you go to ENet, or you change your edibas.ini file, or whatever this is. Again, here's the file. It's edibas. You edit with a notepad, and it's located in the Rheingold folder. All right.